In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put password in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get right into it. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You'll want the desktop app open and ready. With Acrobat up, look to the upper left corner and click the main menu. From there, choose Open. This tells Acrobat you're about to select the PDF you want to protect. In the file picker that appears, navigate to the PDF you want to secure, select it, and click Open to load it into Acrobat. Once your file is open, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see the Tools panel. Scroll if needed, and find the option labeled Protect a PDF. Click that, and then choose Protect with Password. This is the built-in feature that applies password security directly to your document, so you don't need any extra plugins or add-ons. Next, Acrobat will ask what kind of protection you want. You'll see two choices, viewing or editing. Choose viewing if you want to require a password for anyone to even open the file. Choose editing if you're okay with people opening and reading the document, but you want to prevent changes like editing, printing, or copying without a password. Pick the option that fits your situation best. Now it's time to create your password. Type a strong password into the field provided. A strong password is typically at least 12 characters and uses a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess, like names or simple patterns. Then retype the same password in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. When you're confident everything looks right, click Apply. Acrobat will process the change and lock in your settings. You should see a confirmation or a lock indicator letting you know the protection has been applied. Depending on your version, Acrobat may show a brief message that the file is now protected. That's exactly what you want to see. To verify, close the PDF and open it again. You should be prompted to enter the password before you can view it or before you can make edits, whichever option you chose earlier. Enter the password and confirm the document behaves as expected. That's it. You've successfully protected your PDF with a password in Adobe Acrobat. Be sure to store your password securely because without it you won't be able to access or change the protected settings. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay any part of this tutorial if you need a quick refresher.